Okay, what's this book called? Little. What color? Blue. Little blue what? Truck. Horn went beep. Engine purred. Friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little blue truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said, croak, and winked an eye when little blue truck went rolling by. Sheep said, cow said, what did a piggy say? Oink, said a piggy. What did Blue say? Beep, said Blue. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said peep. Ma, said a goat. Blue said beep. How about, yep, who's next? What's he say? Neigh, said a horse. How about the duck? What's duck say? Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly little blue truck. Honk, yelled a dump truck. Coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom, went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump trunk tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. What did he cry? Help! 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 Cried little blue truck. Beep, beep, beep. I am stuck. I'm... Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Yeah, and the cow. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? Oh, and he flexed his muscles. All together now. 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink. What's this one? Duck says quack. Ba, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Good job. Oh, what little blue truck say? Beep, beep, beep. The end. Say the end. All done. Can you say all done? Say all done, please.